Okay guys, so today I'm going to explain you how task classes and objects work. So to create a class, I would write the class keyword. After that, its name. I'm writing car. Inside that, I would write def underscore init underscore brackets self comma name model speed, and what can I take? Petrol type. So now I would write self dot name is equals to name self dot model is equals to model, and self dot speed, I could also write as self dot sp equals speed. So I will tell you what will happen now if I write self dot pd self dot pd is equals to petrol type. So this is how I can create a class. I would add this cover, and now I will cover of the car, and I will call my car. So f car is equals to car brackets. So I could write any name. I could take the input from the user, and if I wanna create it another thing, like if I write another car, so if I wanted to take input, so I would name equals input, enter, input, enter, and the model equals input, enter model. So now you're watching if I upload it on the internet, so this would be my speed equals input, enter speed. So I can write any variable name because it's not important to write same name, so Python won't give error if you use another name. So it's not preferred to use the same names. Speed equals and petrol equals petrol input, enter petrol type, and after that I can enter the petrol type, and this will be my simple code. And now I can write just the name, comma space model only, so it's got model. No, it's still comma speed equals SPE. Yep. And comma space, and petrol type instead of petrol type, petrol. Okay, so this is my code. And now if I print, I have told you the loops, so I won't use them for now because you won't understand. Add car. So what does self do? I would explain you. So self does this, that if I write f car, so it would be self for now because I've stored it into the f car. So that's why it is self for now. So self dot name. So that's why if I write self f car dot name, so it will print it, and comma space f car dot model comma space. What is this opening? When did I open it? F car dot model comma space. Now I can't tell you a thing. F car dot model f car dot petrol. I could first write print speed, then f car dot petrol. So you're watching this I write. Instead of writing this, I would write this because I write self.pd over here. So here it's preferred to write the same name as this. So now if I print it, so to print it like this, print name car model Toyota, and about speed 400 km or, and a petrol time, it would be diesel. So EV car, Toyota 400 km/h and diesel. So if I need it, so write in the other lines. So I would write separator, which I told you, equals. Instead of space, I would write backslash and n. So now if I run it by code again, instead of taking IBI model Toyota Corolla, I'm just trying this, and this is what it printed. It first takes the important, then it becomes Corolla HS. I write it anything. So this is how to create classes in Python. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.